Konnichiwa minasan! Welcome back to Japanese Learning Hub, your gateway to fluency. I'm Raj, and today we're going to learn 10 more essential Japanese phrases for daily conversation. These phrases will help you communicate even better in Japanese. Let's get started! And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more language learning tips. Let's start! Sumimasen. これは何ですか? Excuse me, what is this? This is useful when you want to ask about something you are not familiar with. For example, in a store, you can ask, すみません、これは何ですか? Excuse me, what is this? Next, we have いくらですか? Which means, how much is it? This is very handy when shopping. For example, when you want to know the price of something, you can ask, いくらですか? How much is it? Doko desu ka? Where is it? To ask where something is, you can say, Doko desu ka? For example, if you are looking for a place, you can ask, Doko desu ka? Where is it? Nanji desu ka? What time is it? To ask for time, use Nanji desu ka? Which means, what time is it? For example, if you need to know the time, you can say, Nanji desu ka? What time is it? Igo o hanashimasu ka? Can you speak English? If you are having trouble communicating, you can ask, Ego o hanashimasu ka? Which means, can you speak English? In case you need help, ask, Ego o hanashimasu ka? Can you speak English? Namae wa nan desu ka? What is your name? To ask someone's name, you say, Namae wa nan desu ka? When meeting someone new, you can ask, Namae wa nan desu ka? What is your name? Doko kara kimashita ka? Where are you from? To ask where someone is from, use Doko kara kimashita ka? When you want to know someone's origin, ask Doko kara kimashita ka? Where are you from? Kekkon shite imasu ka? Are you married? To ask if someone is married, say Kekkon shite imasu ka? In a friendly conversation, you might ask Kekkon shite imasu ka? Are you married? Ote arai wa doko desu ka? Where is the restroom? To find a restroom, ask, Ote arai wa doko desu ka? When you need a restroom, just say, Ote arai wa doko desu ka? Where is the restroom? Itai desu. It hurts. To express pain, say, Itai desu, which means it hurts. If you are in pain, you can say, Itai desu. It hurts. Great job, everyone! Today we covered 10 more essential Japanese phrases for daily conversations. Remember to practice these phrases to get comfortable using them. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Japanese language tips. Arigato for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Mata ne!